If you're into AI faceless channels, you don't need to panic because on this particular video, I am going to show you why YouTube are demonetizing AI channels and also not monetizing them for those that just met their criteria. And I will give you the proper solution and what you are going to do so that YouTube can monetize your AI channel. If you watch, most creators now are into faceless AI content, and it is looking as if YouTube is not happy with the way they are producing their content, and that is why YouTube is coming at them. Now, I will give you a very simple solution that will save your channel. First of all, before creating an AI content, you are going to go through 5 steps, and that steps are the idea, the scripting, the voice generator, the image or video generator, and lastly your editing. Now I will walk you through these steps one after the other and tell you how you are going to do each particular one so your channel will not be victim of YouTube demonetization. If you miss any of these steps, you might not get monetized. You have to get the 5 steps right before you can say that your videos are eligible for monetization. Because even if they reject your application, you can also appeal. But if you miss any of these steps, you cannot confidently appeal and wait for YouTube to remonetize you. Let us start with number 1, which is the idea. If you are into storytelling, for example, you can get idea from what is happening around you, and you can equally use AI too to get your idea. But anytime you have an idea, do not just take whatever AI gave to you. Always modify your idea so that if you want to turn it into a script, it will look like something human being wrote and not just one random AI generated script and ideas. So if the idea is not coming from the contemporary things that is happening within you, you can also use AI to generate the idea, but you need to modify it. So how are you going to modify your idea? By adding your own human initiative. Let's assume you want to make a story of a boy dancing in the rain. You cannot just go to AI and say, write me a story of a boy dancing in the rain. No, you have to add some things. Why is he dancing in the rain? Okay, after dancing in the rain, what next? All those things are the question you are going to ask yourself. Then after that, you are done with your idea. I see some people, when they go to YouTube, they will look for trending videos or videos that are already doing well on YouTube. They will just copy the transcripts of the video, carry it to AI and tell AI to rephrase the transcript. They will now use it and create their own video. That is very wrong. When it comes to idea bringing, it is very wrong. You don't do things like that. If you do it like that, YouTube is going to find out and they will demonetize your channel. That brings us to number 2, which is script writing. After the modification of your idea, you come to the script writing. If you want to write your script, there is always similar pattern the AI use in writing their video scripts, that if you did not review it bit by bit and they change some things, it is going to sound robotic and generic, just like every other AI videos. So this is where the main work comes in. Generate your scripts part by part. Each part, you review it very well. Change some words, change some sentence, change some repetitive AI phrases that will show that this script is generated by artificial intelligence. Now, use your own human intelligence and do the transformation. Make sure that you rewrite the script by removing and adding some things that will not make it look like AI generated script. After your human review, adding, removing, modifying the script, it will now look 50% AI and the 50% human effort. That is the only thing YouTube is looking at. They're looking at originality over viral clone. YouTube want to protect the advertisers and the viewers. So you as a creator, you have to work with their policy. And that brings us to number 3. After modifying your script, you now come to the voice generator. Here you have 2 options. It's either to use your own voice or you use AI voice. If you notice, there is a similar pattern AI uses to generate their own voice. No human feelings, no emotion, no pauses, no paces. It will just read the voice like that without adding human feelings. And that is what most of the AI creators are finding it difficult, how to add human feelings and emotion into AI voice. Now, it is not all the voice generators that can do that. Why some can do that? If you watch most of the free voice generators, just read the story like that without adding human feelings. For you to have that originality and the authenticity, you have to use your voice and record that particular video. But if you cannot use your voice, then you can use AI voice. During that your script generation and modifying, you can tell any AI tool that you are using to add paces, pauses, human feelings and emotion into that script. It will add it and also hide it. It is when the voice generator is reading it, that is when the paces and the pauses will be showing. Now, when it comes to voice generator, I will recommend 11 Labs, because on 11 Labs, you can equally clone your voice or you can clone any voice, so that if you use that particular voice to generate all your stories, it will not look like every other AI voice that you are hearing out there. There are some popular AI voice that anytime you play a video, somebody that is watching that video can even dictate the particular AI voice that is used to create that particular voiceover. You can use 11 Labs, clone your voice or any other person's voice that sounds so sweet, then use it for your videos. If you have a cloned voice, it will be difficult for every other channels to replicate it. This is what YouTube is avoiding. They don't want thousands and millions of channels to be sounding alike. The same voice, the same pattern, the same storytelling, the same hook. No human effort, no creativity. They actually want you to use AI tools in your content creation, not using AI to replace your creativity as a creator. What makes you a content creator is your level of creativity. Are you getting the point now? So that is for voice generator. And the next one is the image and the picture generation. Now, if you want to generate your pictures and image, I will recommend that you use a paid tool. Most of the things that are causing the demonetization of some channels is because you are looking for free tools. You are using more than 15 different AI tools in order for you to use their free version. All the AI tools have watermarks, both the ones that are visible and the ones that are not visible. There are some watermarks you cannot see, but the YouTube AI can see it. And some of these platforms have stated in their policy that you cannot commercialize any tool that you use for free in their platform, and you may not even be aware of this. If possible, just pay for the tool so that that watermark will go out, whether it is visible or not visible. So it will just go out. You will know that you have paid for this tool. You are now free to generate as many images as you want, as many videos as you want. Because the more you try to look for different free tools, the more likely that you are going to encounter one of the AI tools that do not support people to commercialize their images and videos if you are not on paid version. I'm not saying that all the tools are like that, but some are like that. Still under the image and video generation, YouTube has made it clear that at every point of your video, your visuals should have the correct interpretation of what the voice is talking. It means that you cannot just use one picture to produce a 30 minutes video. You cannot use 10 pictures to produce a 30 minutes video. There must be accurate representation of every word or sentence that you are saying. So you can't just duplicate many images and use it and bring out a video. These are the type of channels that are kicking out. If you calm down and edit your videos and place your pictures according to what your AI is reading, YouTube is not going to come after your channel because they know that you actually did your work very well. They just want to kick out lazy creators that want to use the trend of AI to get into the YouTube business. One thing I noticed is that the new AI creators came from other social media platforms and they used the mentality of other social media platforms to run YouTube. YouTube is not like that. YouTube is the only platform that is doing well in all the video formats. YouTube have long form videos and it is doing well. People that are long form creators are doing well. YouTube have short form creators and short form videos are also doing well. YouTube have live stream and live stream is doing well. All the formats, YouTube has it and they are all doing well. So they don't want to risk the platform they have built to the hands of lazy creators that just want to go viral. YouTube don't work with viral again. That is why they removed the trend tab from YouTube. Just be a creator that is creative and not just a creator that is looking for a viral video. Build your channel from scratch. Some other social media platforms, they will tell you post 10 videos a day, post like 10 to 15 videos a day, one will peak. YouTube is not like that. If you post like that, the more they feel that you are doing mass produced content, inauthentic content, low effort content, because they know that if you're actually investing your time to produce an authentic content, it will take you more time to produce videos other than posting every day, posting 5, 6 videos every day. It is mass produced, it is inauthentic. The last one is your video editing. There are many editing apps. CapCut is there, InShot is there, and every other editing app you can use. After generating and downloading those images, take them to your editing app, add your voiceover, use your hand and edit that video so you can represent each visual according to the interpretation of the voice. Add effects, add transitions, add slow zoom, cut, join, trim. Show YouTube that actually you did the work. Not just all these AI video generating platforms that you will give prompt and they will give you video and you will post the video without touching anything. Because if 1,000 people give that exact prompt, it will give 500 or 600 people almost the same video. Do not make mistake in any of these 5 steps that I mentioned. From your ideas to your scripting to your voice to your image and to your editing before you now see the final results and upload. If you make any mistake in any of these, you are not going to get monetized, and their reason will be inauthentic content or mass produced. Do you understand it now? This is the reason why YouTube is coming after these channels. If you watch, YouTube as a platform need viewers, advertisers, and creators. Advertisers need YouTube for them to advertise their products. You as a creator, you need the viewers and YouTube as a platform where you will post your content. If YouTube keep allowing mass produced content that is not keeping viewers retained on YouTube, they will lose their viewers. Viewers will leave YouTube to other social media platforms because all the whole content sound and seems alike. It will make viewers to stop coming to YouTube. And once viewers stop coming to YouTube, it will make advertisers to stop coming too. So they want to protect their business and attract more advertisers. That is why they want quality and authentic content, because quality and authentic content can keep viewers watching and coming back for more. And the more viewers YouTube is attracting, the more advertisers are coming, the more advertisers are paying, and the more they make money to also pay creators that are making this content. So are you seeing the connectivity? If you are creating a content that will chase viewers out of YouTube, they will demonetize you. They value their viewers so much because viewers will get them advertisers. Advertisers will pay them, and they will from there pay creators. So if you are creating a content that will chase people out of YouTube, YouTube will kick you out. So just understand it and also understand it from the business part of it. This is why they are doing it. And if you are a creator, I will advise you to step up your game and follow YouTube community guidelines so that your channel can be monetized without any problem. Thank you so much. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Jazi and I am a creator for the creators. All I do on this channel is to break everything that has to do with YouTube down for you so you will understand it very well. If that interests you, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it to anybody that you think might need it. Do not forget to follow me across all social media platforms at Jazi Nation 1. Thank you, and I'm gonna see you on my next video.